Good day. I am from Globalize Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive hereby data from Avantage Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am. I understand English and
Are
can
you a
speak also.
100% willing to come and determined to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, determined, ma'am.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
No issues at all, ma'am.
No issues at all because if you are unwell but you're staying in the Philippines, don't apply to other countries so that you won't give problem to your family and to us also, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So, do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No one, ma'am.
No one. Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am. It's okay.
Is this your first time working abroad?
Yes, my first time, ma'am.
Why did you choose to come here in Malaysia? Why you didn't choose to go Singapore or Hong Kong?
This is the first agency I came, ma'am.
But why you didn't choose to go Singapore or Hong Kong?
They only have here is Malaysia, ma'am.
Okay. So can you help me introduce yourself, please?
Okay, ma'am. I'm Ronaldin Kakasyan, 31 years old, living with my parents, my mom and my three kids, ma'am. I only live here near near a Vantage agency, ma'am.
Okay. So please sit properly. Don't dance the chair, okay? So
Yes,
I
ma'am.
need to know some few more details from you. Do you have passport?
On process, ma'am.
On process for passporting. Okay. When is your birthday?
October 1, 1993.
October 1,
1.
1993. What is your height and your weight?
I'm 5'2" in height, then 60 kilos in weight, ma'am.
What is your religion?
Roman Catholic, ma'am.
What is your educational background?
High school graduate only, ma'am.
Sorry, high school graduate, is it? Okay,
Yes,
so
ma'am.
you mentioned that you got three kids. How old are those children?
They are 9 years old, 11, then 13 years old, ma'am.
This is your first time working abroad. So, are you single mother, single parent, or married, or do you have single with living partner?
Single mom, ma'am.
Single mother. So, who will going to take care of your three kids once you come to work here in Malaysia?
My mom and my sister.
How old is your mother and what is her occupation?
She's not working, ma'am. She's 56 years old. My sister is not working also.
So how many
They go.
siblings do you have? How many brother and sister do you have?
I have one. I have one brother and one sister. I'm the middle child.
Okay. So is your family allow you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, they allow me.
No problem.
No problem at all.
Do you know what are you up to? You will going to work as a domestic helper. Houses here is very big and you will be eating your lunch, breakfast or your dinner is quite very late one. So are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you sure that are you ready?
Yes, ma'am. I'm ready.
Okay. So it is a very, very tough job and you must need to get ready yourself. Okay? You need to prepare yourself because you might don't know that you did the one that you didn't experience in the Philippines, you might experience here. Okay? Those
Yes.
unexpected things you might experience. So you need to get ready yourself because being a domestic helper is very tough and you will going to sign a 2 years contract. Any
Yes, ma'am.
uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home. Breaching or terminating of contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency as nobody force you to come and work here in Malaysia. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am. I
Okay, so are
understand.
we clear about it and you are understand and you all aware of it, correct?
Yes, ma'am. I
Okay, we want
understand.
someone that who is very determined to come and work here and don't give us trouble. Because in the first place, nobody forced you to come and work here. Okay?
Yes.
If there is any problem with the employer, any concerns, you directly inform your employer. If employer didn't hear you out, you can tell us also. We can help you
Oh,
because we are your agency. Yeah?
yes.
Okay,
Yes,
so
ma'am.
in your by data, it was stated that you have a working experience way back 2018 to 2020 for 2 years, right?
Yes, ma'am. Finish
In
contract.
which place in the Philippines is this?
Makati City, ma'am.
Makati City. So can you share it with me? What are your primary duties to your previous employment in Makati?
I I wash their clothes,
Okay,
take care of one child of their
okay,
child, ma'am. Cooking, then
okay.
cleaning the.
Did you do
That's
ironing
all.
there?
I also do.
How old is the child that you take care?
Old, ma'am.
Sorry,
9 years.
pardon?
9 years old.
9 years
9.
old. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So after 2020, did you have any working experience?
No more, mom. I
No
just
more.
take care
So
of my
you've
kids.
been a full-time mother way back 2021 and until recently. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Full-time mother. So as I have mentioned to you, you need to embrace yourself, okay? You need to get ready. You need to be multitasking. You need to be flexible because this job is very tough one. It is not that so easy. It's not just
Yes,
if
ma'am.
you want to do house chores, you will just do house chores only. If there is any
Yes, ma'am.
children, elderly inside the house, you need to assist them also at the same time, okay?
Yes, ma'am. I
Are you
understand.
okay to take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am. I can do it.
Can you take care elderly people?
Yes, ma'am. I can do also.
Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you
Cook and
willing to learn some new
clean,
recipes?
iron.
Sorry?
It's okay. It's okay, ma'am.
It's okay, yeah.
Ready
Can
to
you
learn.
okay, so can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you
Willing.
are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am. But not the dog, ma'am.
Are you afraid
I'm
of big
scared.
dogs?
Yes, ma'am.
What about small dogs or just friendly dog? Are you okay?
Small dogs.
Okay, yeah, no problem. So,
Yes, ma'am.
are you
Small
aware
dogs.
that you cannot hold your phone during working time? But instead, you can hold your phone during
Yes,
nighttime only after you finish your job for the whole day, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work.
yes, ma'am.
Are you entitled?
It's okay.
Okay, so you are entitled also to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going to rest only inside the employer's house, and if you will work on your rest day, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with our terms and conditions?
Yes, ma'am. I agree.
I just wanted to make it clear, be specific, and clarify it to you once you come to work here in Malaysia that you agree all these terms and conditions. We don't want later that once you come to work here in Malaysia, you will going to demand us about all these things. There is no such a thing because in our initial interview, you agree with our rules and regulations. If you
Yes, ma'am.
disagree, it's okay. Better stay in the Philippines. Don't come here so that you won't give us problem. Okay?
Yes, ma'am. I
Always
understand.
remind yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad. You wanted to sustain your family's needs. You are a single parent. No, you don't have someone that you could rely on. Is the father of your children still supporting your child?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so always remind it to yourself why you wanted to work abroad. You wanted to
Yes,
sustain their needs, okay? So this is
yes.
your first time working abroad. What will you do if you feel homesick, like your homesickness strikes you or attacked you? What will you do?
I don't think so. I'm going to have that, ma'am. I'm ready and independent woman.
Okay. So in Philippines, you can do whatever you want, but here in Malaysia, no such a thing. We need to humble ourselves because employer is still employer. But of course, I told you, if there is any problem, you can let us know. Yeah? You need to
Yes,
follow the rules and regulations. You need to respect the employer. you follow or respect the culture of the employer. Any problems, any concerns, inform the employer. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am. I
I
understand.
think that's all for now. Thank you for your time, Ronaldine. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay
Thank-
connected through WhatsApp because Globalize agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am. Thank
Thank you
you.
so much and have a good day.